Hello guys, welcome to Maths with Raju Karthik, and today we'll start with a new exercise which is exercise 3.3. So this is the part 1, and in this part we are going to do first question, which there are two questions with 4 to 5 parts each. So in our first question there are 4 parts in which we have to solve each part using both the methods, which are elimination method and substitution method. Okay, so let's start. Firstly, we'll use elimination method in this part and then we'll do substitution. Same procedure and in the same sequence we'll do all the 4 parts. So firstly, elimination. We know this process. What we do? We see the terms which we first term which we have to cancel. So if we want to cancel the variable x, then we'll see that the coefficients are same, or if not we'll make them same, and then we'll solve for y, and after getting value of y we put the value of y in any of these equations, then we'll get the value of x. Now let's see. Firstly, here x plus y equal to 5 and 2x minus 3y equal to 4. I wish that I have to cancel y. So what I do? Multiply this equation with 3. So we get the equation 3x plus 3y equal to 5 and 2x minus 3y equal to 4. And here 5 into 3, which is 15. So we'll add them, because plus and minus they'll get cancelled. So it would be 5x equal to 15 plus 4 means 19. X equal to 19 upon 4. Or you can say x equals to 4 4s are 16. 5. Here 5 will come and 5 3s are 15. Now 4 is left. So 5, we put the point over here. So 5, 8 times 40. So the value of x is 3.8 or 19 upon 5. Now the value of y. Substitute here also we'll have to use this word substitute, because now we'll do what we'll do. We'll put this value x in this equation. Substitute x equals to 3.8 in first. So we get 3.8 minus y, plus y equal to 5. 3.8 plus y equals to 5. So y will be 1.2. Answer. I hope this is clear. Now we'll do the same thing using substitution method. So what we will do? We'll use the first equation. X plus y equals to 5. So x value is 5 minus y. This is first, this is second, and let this be third one. Substitute x equals to 5 minus y in this equation, means second equation, in 2. See, have you noticed something? Firstly, we used any of these equations. Let's say that I use this one equation, so then I will put the value of x or y which I want to find out in this one. Or else, if I have found out this value from this equation, x or y value, then I'll put that x or y value in the second equation. Okay, means the next equation which I have not used. So 2x minus 3y equal to 4. So 2 into 5 minus y, because 2x minus 3y, so value of x we have found out, which is 5 minus y. So I have put it, and minus 3y equal to 4. And 2 5 is 10. Minus 2y minus 3y equal to 4. 10, let us send this 2y minus 3y, which is minus 5y, minus 2y minus 3y, which is minus 5y. We'll send this that side. So 10 minus 4 equals to minus 2y minus 3y. This will be minus over here, so we'll send it that side, which will be positive 5y. 10 minus 4 is 6 by 5 equal to y. So y will be 1.2. Have you seen that? Same answer is coming. Now we'll substitute this value in the first equation again. X equals to 5 minus 1.2. X equals to 3.8. See, both the same answers are coming over here also. Means both the methods are correct. You can use either of these. Okay. Now first part is done. We'll approach to our second part. Approaching to our next part. Here our equations are 3x minus 4y equal to 10 and 2x minus 2y equal to 2. So if you see, then we can cancel these two and it will remain x minus y equals to 1. Okay. Now since this is elimination method, what we do? This is equation 1 and this is equation 2. Equation 2. Okay. Now multiply equation 2 with, now to find out what we have to multiply it with, we will firstly see that what we have to cancel, either y or x. So I'll decide to cancel y. So what we will do, we'll multiply this whole equation with 4 to make the coefficient same. So 3x minus 4y equals to 10, and over here it will become 4x minus 4y equals to 4. Okay. Now we will subtract this because subtraction will change the sign. So this minus will become plus and this plus will become minus. Plus will become minus. Now 3x minus 4x will be minus x and 4y minus 4y will get cancelled, equals to 10 minus 4, which is 6. Minus x equals to 6. So x equals to minus 6. Now to find out y, what we'll do, we'll put x equals to minus 6 in 2. So minus 6 minus y equals to 1. Minus y equals to 6 plus 1 means 7. Y equals to minus 7. So x minus y, which is minus 6 plus 7 is 1. Yes, it is satisfying our answer. Now, in the substitution method, we'll choose the simplest equation, means 2. In equation 2, x minus y equals to 1. So x equals to 1 plus y. Substitute x equals to y plus 1 in first equation. Now we substitute it, we get 3 into y plus 1 minus 4y equals to 10. Now 3y plus 3 minus 4y equals to 10. Now 3y minus 4y equals to 3 minus y 10. Now we will send this 3 that side. So it will be minus y equals to 7. So y equals to minus 7. Now again we'll put this in this equation. I mean this equation, which is equation 3. So put y equals to minus 7 in equation 3. So we'll get x equals to 1 minus 7, because 1 plus minus n is 1 minus 7, so x will be minus 6. Hence we have got our answers. Using both the methods we get the same answers if we have solved the question correctly. Now we will approach to our third part. Now in this part here the equations are something different. There is no coefficient 1, means every single of these like variables coefficient is not 1, means something is 2, 3, 5 and 9. So we have to find out anyone in such a way like that these get cancelled, and we have to make this question easier. So firstly, if you see, if I want to cancel out y, then there is like very different type of common factor, which is 10. So we'll have to multiply this equation with 2 and this one with 5. So to make it easier, we can do this one, in which we have to multiply first equation with 3 and nothing else. So as usual, this is 1 and this is 2. So multiply 1 with 3. So 3 times 3 is 9. So 9x minus 15y equals to 12. And here 9x minus 2y equals to 7. Now what we do? We will subtract these. So this positive will become negative, this will become positive, this will become negative. Now what we'll do? These get cancelled out. 15y plus 2y. Minus 15y plus 2y means minus 13y, which is 12 minus 7 is, let me calculate, 5. So if we solve this, we get y equals to 5 by 13, that to negative, means minus 5 by 13. Now we put this y equals to minus 5 by 13 in this equation, I mean this one, first one, in first. So we get 3x minus 5y into minus 5 means positive 25 by 13 equals to 4. So 3x equals to 4 minus 25 by 13. So when we solve this, 13 for the 52 equals to 52 minus 25 upon 13. So 52 minus 25 is 27. 3x equals to 27 upon 13, which means that x equals to 3 into 9. So 9 by 13. The value of x is 9 upon 13 and the value of y is minus 5 upon 13. Now we will come to our next method, which is the substitution method. Here we have to see the smallest coefficient, which is 2. and it is in the second equation. So what we will do? We will use this 2 and we'll find out something to substitute in the first equation, and then we'll substitute and then we'll find the values. So first of all, 9x minus 2y equal to 7. So minus 2y equals to 7 minus 9x. Now if we cancel this minus, so this will become minus and this will become plus. So the value of y will come 9x minus 7 whole upon 2y. 2, which will be y. Now substitute this, let this be 3 in first. So third equation we'll substitute it into the first equation. So 3x minus 5y equal to 4. So 3x minus 5 into 9x minus 7 upon 2 equals to 4. So 3 to 6x. This 2 will be LCM and minus 9 5s are 45x minus 5 7s are positive 35, because minus minus plus equals to 4. So we'll send this that side. It will become 45x minus 6x is minus 39x, because this is minus and this is plus. Plus 35 equals to 8. So minus 39x equals to 8 minus 35, which is 27, negative. So this minus minus gets cancelled and x equals to 27 upon 39. Or you can say, when we cancel out, it becomes 9 upon 13. X equals to 9 by 13. Now we'll put this x equals to 9 by 13 in 3. Put x equals to 9 upon 13 in 3. So y equals to 9 upon 13 into 9, which is 81 by 13 minus 7 upon 2. 13 sevens are 91, means minus 10 upon 2. So 81 minus 91, which is minus 10 upon 13 upon 2, means minus 10 upon 26, which is minus 5 upon 13. The same answer is coming. I hope this part is clear too. Now we will come to our last part of this video, which is part number 4 of the first question. Coming to our fourth part. Over here, the equations are in fraction. Okay, so we will have to solve using this process only. So let's see. First of all, if you see, you can convert these equations. If you take LCM, it will become 6. So what we do? We will multiply whole equation with 6. So which will become 3x plus 3 to the 6. So 4y equals to minus 6. And this only 3 is the fraction. So we can say that 3x minus y equals to 3 3 the 9. Now if we add these, subtract these, because subtraction, it will become minus, this will become plus, this will become minus. So this was plus, this became minus, this was minus, this became plus, this was plus, this became minus. So 4y upon y, it will be 4y plus y, 5y. 3x minus 3x, 0, equals to minus 6 minus 9 minus 15. So the value of y is minus 3. If you put minus 3 in first, put minus 3 in first. Y equals to minus 3 in first. So, in first one, we will get it y equals to minus 3. So, here, minus 3 into 4 is minus 12. X, 3x minus 12 equals to minus 6. So, 3x equals to 6. X equals to 3. X equals to 3 and y equals to minus 3. I hope this is clear. Now we'll do the same question using substitution method and we'll use these equations. 3x plus 4y equals to minus 6 and 3x minus y equals to 9. Now what we do? Let this equation be 3 and this equation be 4. So if we see, then the smallest coefficient is this, means 1. So in 4, y minus y equals to 9 minus 3x. So y equals to 3x minus 9. Substitute we will substitute this equation, means y equals to 3x minus 9 in the next equation, which is equation 3. Okay, now if you substitute this, you will get 3x minus 9 means 3x plus 4 into 3x minus 9 equals to minus 6. Now 3x plus 4 3s are 12x, 4 9s are 36 equals to 6. So this 36 will go that side. So it will become 42. 3x plus 12x is 15x equals to wait 9 4s are 36 negative 3x 4 3s are 12x minus 6. So minus 6 plus 36. Minus 6 plus 36 is 30. 15 x equals to 30. X equals to 2. So if you see this, the value of x has come 2. And here also it was 2. Here x is minus 3, y is minus 3. So we'll calculate y also. So if we put this, put x equals to 2 in x equals to 2 in fourth. So if you put x equals to 2 in 4, you will get 2 3 the 6 minus y equal to 9. Means minus y equals to minus 3. Y minus y equals to 3. So y equals to minus 3. The answers have been same throughout. I hope this is clear. In the next video, we'll continue with our next question, which is question number 2. Till then, bye bye.